Combining independent clauses. There are three ways to combine independent clauses. First, you can combine them using a period. Second, you can combine them using a comma and a coordinating conjunction. And third, you can combine them using a semicolon. The easiest way to combine two independent clauses is by putting a period after each independent clause. There's no way I can pay you back, period. My plan is to show you that I understand, period. You are appreciated, period. The problem with using only periods is that it makes your writing sound choppy. Da, 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 da. This brings us to the second way to combine independent clauses, which is with a comma and a coordinating conjunction. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions known as the fanboys. Fanboys is an acronym and mnemonic device which stands for and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Note that all 7 of the coordinating conjunctions are 3 letters or less. When combining independent clauses in this manner, you must always use a comma and one of the fanboys. If you use a comma alone or one of the fanboys alone, you will have a run-on sentence. When combining independent clauses, the comma and the fanboy are never separated. For example, take an independent clause. There's no way I can pay you back. Add a comma and choose one of the 7 coordinating conjunctions. Let's use but. Then add another independent clause. My plan is to show you that I understand. Period. There's no way I can pay you back, but my plan is to show you that I understand. Notice how much smoother this sounds than using just periods. If you take out the comma, you'd have a run-on sentence. Boo! If you had the comma and you took out the coordinating conjunction, you'd have another run-on sentence called a comma splice. Boo! In order to have a grammatically correct sentence combining 2 independent clauses, you must have both the comma and the coordinating conjunction. Yay! Remember, when combining independent clauses, the comma and the fanboy must be used together. The third way to combine independent clauses is with a semicolon. As you can see, a semicolon is kind of like a combination between a period and a comma. But there is a big difference between a period and a semicolon. You can think of a period like a door. A door separates 2 spaces completely. When a door is shut, nothing gets through. On the other hand, a semicolon is kind of like a screen door. A screen door does separate 2 spaces, but things get through. Sounds get through, air gets through. You can even see through a screen door. Like a screen door, a semicolon lets things through. And in between 2 independent clauses, it allows meaning to slip through. For example, if you placed a semicolon between these 2 independent clauses, it would read, my plan is to show you that I understand, semicolon, you are appreciated. The meaning that seeps through allows one to see that what is understood is that you are appreciated. Oftentimes, to make this meaning clear, a conjunctive adverb is used. Depending on which conjunctive adverb you use, you can shift the meaning which seeps through. For example, if you use the conjunctive adverb therefore, it would read, my plan is to show you that I understand, therefore you are appreciated. The meaning which seeps through is that the result of my plan to show you that I understand is that you are appreciated. Note the punctuation. The therefore is a parenthetical, so it is set off with a comma and a semicolon. My plan is to show you that I understand, semicolon, therefore, comma. Using the conjunctive adverb thus would give a similar meaning of result. On the other hand, if you use the conjunctive adverb indeed, you will be letting the meaning seep through that it is very important that you are appreciated. My plan is to show you that I understand, semicolon, indeed, comma, you are appreciated. Using the conjunctive adverb indeed gives emphasis to the connection here. By changing the conjunctive adverb used with a semicolon, You can control the meaning which seeps through and really pinpoint what you want to say. Never overuse the semicolon and only use it when you know exactly what meaning you want to convey. Using our new clause combining skills, we could write a letter that reads, Dear Mama, there's no way I could pay you back, but the plan is to show you that I understand. You are appreciated.